So GDP growth rate data and tele density data of different states of a country for a particular year is given below. So we have to study the table and answer few questions. So here we have states 1 to 18. This is per capita income, GDP growth, and this is the telephone density. So we have these two statements and we have to find out that which one is valid or which are valid statements. So we'll see. Nowadays, prosperity of already high performing state cannot be sustained without making further large investments in the telecom industry. That means more is the telecom connections and business, the more is the prosperity of the state. But if you see the data for state 7, so here telephones are highest. But if you see the GDP and per capita income figure, these are not highest. So this statement is not actually correct. So this is first statement. We'll see the second statement now. The second one is a very high telephone density is most essential condition for promoting business and economic growth of a state. So again, we'll see the data of state 7. So here the connections are actually telephone connections are highest, but the GDP and per capita income is not very high. And similarly, you can see the other states like for example, there is a state 8. The telephone connections are only 6, but still its GDP is not the lowest, and per capita income is also not the lowest. So this statement is actually also not correct. So we can conclude that none of the statements given are actually valid, and our answer is option D, neither one nor two.